Shit. Memorial Day is the kickoff to summer. It's mainly honoring soldiers who have died for this country. We celebrate this by having a German sausage, the Bratwurst. Bratwurst is typically made from beef and pork. Kroger brand is seasoned with beer, garlic powder, and salt, and corn syrup. I'm not being paid to plug Kroger. There's one way to make grilling for a large group a lot easier. Boil the bratwurst in the cheapest beer you can find. Icehouse. It's time to take it to the house. Makes you lose your mind WWE style. This is about the only beer I would use for this. 5.5% alcohol. If you want to, you can drain this into a large beer stein and cool it in the fridge. The best way to do this would be on a super hot grill. I don't have a grill, so I have to fry these babies in a pretty hot skillet. Once these are boiled, this does not take long. I love these things. I like mine with mustard, sauerkraut, and relish, and a little bit of salt and pepper.